In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a view with quarter-over-quarter difference indicated as a percentage in Tableau. This is an important skill for anyone who wants to enhance their data analysis capabilities using Tableau, enabling you to see how your data trends across different periods, specifically across quarters. To begin, you'll need to open your Tableau desktop app. Once it's open, make sure you've got access to your worksheet. If you've already set up your data source and are ready with your fields and values, this becomes much easier. Next, you'll want to drag the order date field from your dataset onto the column shelf. By doing this, you're essentially beginning to lay out how Tableau will organize your data over time. You'll see the timeline populate along the top of your view, creating the foundation for your quarterly analysis. Now go ahead and drag the region field to the rows shelf. By placing regions in the rows, you are breaking down your data by geographic segments, which can be really insightful when comparing the performance of different areas. The next step is to drag the profit measure to the text box on your marks card. This action will display the profit values in your view, giving you a sense of financial performance for each region and date combination. It's a crucial part of analyzing your data, as profit figures are often key to business decisions. With the basic layout set, focus again on the order date in your columns. Click on it and add quarter to the segmentation. This addition shifts your timeline to reveal a quarterly breakdown, thus making it visually clear how each quarter performs relative to the others. Now direct your attention to the CM profit field in your marks card. Click the drop-down menu there, which opens several advanced calculation options. Choose Quick Table Calculation, and then select Year-over-Year Growth. This choice tells Tableau to compute the year-over-year growth rate for profits, giving an initial view of growth trends. Navigate back to the Sum Profit field once more and select the Edit Table Calculation option. This time, you'll need to fine-tune the calculation settings. Find the option labeled At the Level and choose Quarter of Order Date. This setting ensures that your calculations consider each quarter's individual performance rather than annual defaults or other time segments. Following these steps creates a dynamic view that clearly indicates the quarter-over-quarter difference in profits as a percentage. This tool allows you to better understand trends and drive performance in your data analysis, offering insights that were not previously as visible. I hope this walkthrough empowers you to make the most of Tableau's robust capabilities. Thanks for watching and happy analyzing.